Welcome to all in this new video. In this video we will see one method of elimination of arbitrary function and formation of partial differential equation and direct method of solution of partial differential equation. Suppose that phi is a function of u and v, where u and v are functions of x, y and z. We have to eliminate this function phi from this relation. Remember that here z is a dependent variable and x and y are independent variables. So consider this relation phi of u comma v equal to 0. This is equation number 1, and here we have to eliminate phi, so we require two more equations. Hence, differentiating partially with respect to x and y, we get this equation, that is derivative of phi with respect to u first into derivative of u with respect to x. As u is a function of both x, y, z, we have del phi by del u into del u by del x, plus phi is also function of v, therefore del phi by del v into del v by del x equal to 0. Then from this relation we get this, that is equation number 2, and again differentiating partially with respect to y, we get the similar relation as shown in this equation number 3. Now divide equation 2 by equation 3. After dividing we get this equation number 4. So that is the del v by del y into del u by del x minus del u by del y into del v by del x equal to 0. So this is nothing but the determinant, del u determinant whose first entry is del u by del x in the first row, and in the first row second entry is del v by del x, while the second row is a del u by del y into del v by del v equal to 0. Here del u by del x, del u by del y, del u by del x are to be determined from u and v. So note that this is not a different method which we have seen in the previous video, where we have eliminated the arbitrary function, but this is a quite simple method. So remember this determinant, memorize this, it is useful, and we can easily eliminate the function phi. So let us see the example. So consider this relation phi of x square plus y square plus z square x y z equal to 0. Now compare this with phi of u comma v equal to 0. So we get that u equal to x square plus y square plus z square and v equal to x y z. So we first calculate del u by del x, del u by del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x, del u by del y, and these quantities. Del u by del x equal to 2x plus 2z. Z is a function of x and y, so derivative of this x square y square plus z square with respect to x square derivative, that is 2x, y square is a constant, y is independent variable, so its derivative is 0, and derivative of z square is 2z into del z by del x, but del z by del x is nothing but p, so we have directly written here 2x plus 2zp. Similarly, del u by del y equal to 2y plus 2z cube, z del z by del y q means, and del v by del x, y is constant, x and z, these are the variables, so apply the product rule, y constant, derivative of first function x as it is, derivative of z del z by del x, so we get here p, plus derivative of x 1 and z as it is. Similarly, derivative with respect to y, x is constant and y cube plus z. So let us substitute this value in this determinant, and so when we put this value, and we can see that we get this equation and simplifying we obtain this relation. So this relation, we have eliminated phi function and we get the required partial differential equation. Similarly, consider one more example. F of y by x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0. So comparing this phi of u comma v equal to 0, we get u equal to y by x and v equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So similarly, first calculate the derivatives. Del u by del x minus y by x square. Y is constant, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Del u by del y, y is 1 by x is a constant term, derivative of y with respect to y is 1. And just in the previous example we have calculated this value, derivatives. Del u by del x is 2x plus 2zp and del u by del y equal to 2zq plus 2y. So substitute this value in this determinant and solve this determinant. So we have solved this already and we get this value. After simplification we get this simple relation, and this is our required partial differential equation. We have eliminated from this relation f. This is a simple exercise for you. Now let us see the solution of partial differential equation by direct integration. We will explain this by example. Suppose we have an example, del z by del x equal to sin x. Now see that when z is a function of x only, there is no need of partial derivative and we get a dz by del dx into sin x. But as here is a partial derivative, z is a function of two variable. So we know what is the solution of this equation. Direct integration gives us dz by dx integration, we get z. The integration of sin x, is minus cos x plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. So note that here z is a function of two variable x and y, and therefore when we integrate with respect to x, the constant c may be the function of y. Hence we get z equal to minus cos x plus f of y. Now next example, let us see del 3z divided by del 2x, here may be del x square. I will make correction, del y cos of 2x plus 3y. Now we integrate this with respect to 2x and we get del 2z by del x del y plus, and derivative of integration of cos is sine of 2x plus 3y is a constant, and the integration of 2x is 1 by 2 plus integrating constant, and it may be function of y. So we have written here f of y. Now again integrating with respect to 2x, we get del z by del y, and integration of sin x minus cos 2x plus 3y, and integration of 2x, that is 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 get 1 by 4 plus this function f of y is constant into integration of constant is x into constant, so f of y as it is plus integrating constant another function g of y. Now integrate this with respect to y, we get integration of cos, again sine minus as it is, and integration of 3y, that is 1 by 3. So 4 into 3, here we get 12. X is constant, integration of f of y plus integration of g of y. So we have this value, z equal to minus 1 by 12 sine of 2x plus 3y plus x f of y plus g of y. Now see the another example. del 2 z by del x del y equal to x square y. Subject to the conditions, we have two conditions: z of x comma 0 equal to x square, z of 1 comma y equal to cos y. So first integrate with respect to x, we obtain del z by del y equal to 1 by 3 integration of x square, that is x cube by 3 into y, plus integrating constant f of y. Now integrate this with respect to y, we get 1 by 6 x cube y square plus integration of f of y plus g of x. When we integrate with respect to y, function with respect to x is constant. Now let us apply the given condition: z equal to x square when y equal to 0. Substitute here z equal to x square. After substitution, we get this value: g of x equal to x square minus f of 0. This is suppose equation. Putting this value of g of x in equation number 1 here, we get z equal to 1 by 6 x cube y square plus f of y plus x square minus f of 0. Now again apply another condition: z equal to cos y when x equal to 1. This is called as equation number 2. So f of y equal to, here we are substituting cos y and x equal to 1, so we get 1 by 6 y square, x square means 1 minus f of 0, and transfer this term to this side to obtain the f of y. So we get cos of y minus 1 by 6 y square minus 1 and plus f of 0. So put this value of f of y in equation number 2 here. In equation number 2, we get z equal to this one, z equal to 1 by 6, this relation. So this is the required solution. Now see one more example: del 2 z by del x square minus a square z equal to 0, and these are the conditions: x equal to 0, del z by del x equal to a sin y, and del z by del y equal to 0. We have to put these values for x equal to 0. If z is a function of x only, again this equation is an ordinary differential equation like this: del 2 z by del x square minus a square z equal to 0, and the solution of which is z a into e raised to x plus b into e raised to minus ax, where a and b are arbitrary constants. So this is by assuming z is a function of x only, but here z is a function of two variable x and y. Therefore we replace a and b by arbitrary functions f of y and g of y, and the solution will be z equal to f of y e raised to x plus g of y e raised to minus ax. Differentiating this partially with respect to x and y, we get this value: del z by del x equal to a into f of y into e raised to ax. Derivative of e raised to ax is a into e raised to x. G of y constant, e raised to minus ax into minus a. Del z by del y, this value, e raised to x and e raised to minus ax are constant in this. So let us put the condition x equal to 0, del z by del x equal to a sin y in equation 2. This is our equation number 2. First one, del z by del x, and del z by del y is here the third equation. So after substitution, we get f of y minus g of y equal to sin y. Let us call this equation number 4. Now put x equal to 0 and del z by del y equal to 0 in equation number 3. This equation, del z by del x 3. Then we get f dash of y plus g dash of y equal to 0. Now differentiating 4, this equation 4. Differentiating, we get f dash of y minus g dash of y equal to cos of y. So from equation this 2, 5 and 6, this 6 and 5, that means these two equations. From these two equations